Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about Microsoft Excel. I will deliver this lecture series for with several parts, and today will be the first lecture on Microsoft Excel. To elaborate on this software, I will use Microsoft Excel 2007, and I also will discuss other features which has in newer versions than 2007. So we'll start with the main interface of Microsoft Excel. So when you open Excel, you will get a default workbook like this, Book 1 Microsoft Excel. So I may close this one and we will start from the beginning. So when you open Microsoft Excel, it will appear like this, just the software, Microsoft Excel. So we will create a new book to work with. So mainly go to the Office key and New, and we will open a blank workbook for our discussion. I will later discuss about these predefined templates which can be used easily for various tasks in business world. So we'll go for a blank workbook initially, and we will select that and we will create. So with the first appearance of the workbook, you can see the software name and the book name. So book name is Book 2. So if you want to work with a particular book, so we can save for a given name. Let's say I'm going to name this book as My Expenses. So once I save that, the book name will be appearing in top title bar, My Expenses, and the software name Excel. Now with default Excel workbook, you will get 3 sheets. So we can add sheets like 4, 5, 6, or even we can delete sheets from this sheet selection. And the next thing is we can name our worksheets. So to start with, I will name this as my we'll say weekly expense. So basically you can double click this, or even you can right click and you can rename as whatever the name you want. Alright, now as we discussed Microsoft Word, in Excel we can have the similar ribbons like home, insert, page layout, and the ribbon names are slightly different, that where we get formulas, data, reviews, and page layout. So we will discuss the very first one, which is home, and these options we already discussed with MS Word. For example, cut, copy, and paste. So I can do copy or cut and paste, same as MS Word. So I don't want to discuss this area as it's same as MS Word. So we'll go for the naming of the worksheet to start with. Now in Excel worksheet, there are columns and rows. So columns name as A, B, C, D up to Z, and then you get A, B, A, C, So you can have huge amount of columns with this naming convention, and you have rows starting with 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So the main thing in Excel worksheet is where you can get the cell address. For example, let's say I select this particular cell, which is C column 10th row. So this is B column 4th row. So that's the cell address you can work. Now, these things will be more familiar when you work few exercises that I will be focusing in our next series. Okay, now I will do a small exercise to get on with basic options.